This is Ground Media UG.
Conbest Entertainment.
Ground TV, 100% entertainment.
Take care of the cattle. He was a shamba boy who took a farm of the Nyarwandese. That is where he learned that language. And then he was so pure in it. So when he came in Kampala, he wanted so much things about music. He was once into a group of later souls. In my childhood, I so used to see him moving around with a guitar with his brown trousers, which he used to put on January to December, Monday to Sunday. With the shoes of which the late Cassos gave to him, of which he used to sew repair until he reached the time that it could not fit him. When he reached that it could not fit him, he could put it on but not fit. He could step on it. So that is when he started doing different kind of work. Among the worst things is what is going to amaze you. One day when he took their group of music, there is one colleague who made a deal with him. And he said that this work will earn so much. Pastor told the person, I am from a Catholic family. I cannot allow the devil. And the colleague told him, we are not going to serve Satan. No. We are going to be conmen. And Pastor asked, how are we going to be conmen? Then we are going to be witch doctors. Ladies and gentlemen, your father was once a witch doctor who had no power. They used to just, trying to make life. And in his words, he says, one day, they landed onto a woman who had the Bible, and they wanted to prompt him into witch doctor. The woman was first, he was the first person to tell them, Iga, with your friend, your sorceress who had no power. And they also asked her, how did you know our names? And she said that your witch doctors who don't believe into the devil, who don't have the power but trying to do it. But there is God who has the power, who can feed you that power and do miracles, pray for the sick. Pastor Iga refused. Enter into being a Muslim. He tried to become a sheikh. And he was into Islamic. But Muslims who actually were born again. He said one day they were arguing. One born again told him, Iga, that's what you have to be with. You're running from it. But when you accept it, you're going to be so special, different to the nations. In that moment, Pastor Iga, Before he was pastoring, he was said, my mother. I never knew all details. And he got another woman who was born again. A woman who is a mother to my sibling. The young boy was so very dark from who is making a law. So the mother is the one passing a parent. And Pastor started following this born again things. And then he went to Pastor Sosi. And he went to Pastor Serugo. Pastor got saved in 2013. 2003. He believed to God. 2003. He began to receive the Lord. He put down the guitar. He closed the shops. He served the Lord. He started from Chimunya. The Lord did a miracle. 2004. He began a church around where there is that services. So his services, which were on to, they were on to Wednesdays. And Wednesday we have nowhere to pass. When I just come into the city, and once started the taxi with him, but the taxi they are talking about the man of Kawala Iga. We sent him back Abisai. We had 2 televisions. We had UBC and WBS. Sometimes I also don't know my real age. That is good. So there were no much TVs as these days. They could hear him from the radios. So we were in the taxi. And the men started talking about him. They talked about him. But they didn't know that is the one seated there. So to me, I didn't know that my father is a pastor. When we reached that ending point, when we entered, the ministers, they welcomed him, welcome back. And he told them, this is my son, my pastor. So as soon as I came to know that my father is a pastor, whom they have been inviting the taxi. So 2004, the ministry was down there. We were there in 2004, 2005, 2006, and 2007, 2008, 2009 as it was ending. So we came into this place. It wasn't like this. We started praying from here. The Lord was breaking the yoke of rental. It was written into the Ugandan churches. And some of the churches would not rent. That's why I pray for every believer in this place. Every person seated here. I pray that may the Lord bring a change of rental. May the Lord shift you. The Lord is good. 2009, Pastor began something. which started as a choir, the church, and some of the people who were in that choir, was showing young girls who sing the choir. There was a lady called Maggie Kaima with other people. They began it as a choir of the church, and it was named Revival, Christian choir. But when they came along, they recorded a song and it was a hit in the old which was as a church choir, and they named it Revival Band. They started signing up different artists. They never signed a famous artist. They could get those the world didn't know about, and then invest money in them, write songs for them, and the songs would move in entire Uganda. So right now, we have great people. The world talks about them, but they were hands with art and passion, well-wishing. Wishing was what the pastor was heart. I will not talk about the words of some people talk. Today I'm a sign of peace. That is good. And some of them we know. But it was a well-wish of Pastor. 2014, there are people who came and they told him UCC is giving up a license which can make up a TV. Pastor can enter into a TV issues. 2015 official. They are Israel had their own TV. Most people call it ABS TV, but they don't know how it is. Broadcasting Services. ABS TV is a Israel Broadcasting Services. Right now the TV is 9 years, and in the next year they are going to make 10 years. However, though, not that our performance is so good. No. As you see the financial economy, we got some disturbance. And we are operating on only StarTimes. But with faith, we are going to reach that we shall be on every platform in Jesus' name. The Lord is good. That is ABS TV.